All right, today we are practicing the distributive property again. So it might look a little different from the way we did it, but I will show you. All right, 1 minute, guys. I got to pause. Sorry. Okay, so it might look a little different than what we did before, but it's the exact same process. So we are doing this today. We're practicing it again on Monday, all right? So no panicking. We will all understand it when we get through all of our practice. So this is the distributive property. Go ahead and circle that up at the top. The distributive property. So they do an example for us right here. 97 times 4. Okay, they broke it up like this. We didn't really do it like that. Let me show you just on this example how it's the same as the way we did it. So 97 times 4. We're going to break up that 97 into two numbers. What two numbers would be easy to work with?
To make what?
Lady Madeline?
90 and 7.
90 plus 7. Okay? Because we do now know how to multiply 90 times 4. We learned that yesterday. So then our next step, I would have us do this, draw arrows, and we would say 4 times 90. Well, look, it's right here. Okay, that's where you write that. I hope we're all paying attention. And then we said, okay, now I need 4 times 7. That is right here. Okay? So they did it the same way we did. They just wrote it a little bit differently. So then once I have 90 times 4, if we do that math, we know that that is 360, which is here.
How is that 360?
Because we cover the 0, remember. 9 times 4 is 36.
Oh.
Add 1 0. 7 times 4 is 28, which they wrote right here. And the total answer, if we add it all up, we would get 388. So we're doing the same thing. It just looks a little bit different. All right? So I need everyone to really focus today. We're going to try this first one together. And we will rewrite it like this underneath because I think that helps you guys. Okay? So it'll be 7 times something. Okay, I'll go ahead and write that first. We know we need two numbers we can add together that'll equal 72. Lady Hayden, what are you thinking?
70 plus 2.
70 plus 2. Good. Okay. So now, my first step, I do 7 times 70, right? So let's write that here. Do you see how this matches up to here?
Yeah.
Okay. The next step, we know we need to do 7 times 2. So that will go here. And they already did the adding for us. They're kind of easing us into this. So they were saying 70 times 7 is 490, which we know if we cover the 0. 7 times 7 is 49, add a 0. Plus 2 times 7 is 14. That's exactly what they had. And then they got their answer. So the next one, we're going to do more on our own, okay? So let's start it the same way. Which number, the 2 or the 19, should we break apart? Lady Cadence?
19.
All right. So 2 times, all right, what two numbers should we use to make it easy on ourselves? Quentin, what are you thinking? The 19, what can I break it up into?
Break it into a 10 and then a 9.
Good. So we're all starting to get the hang of the 10s. The 10s really help.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So the first step, we know 2 times 10. So 2 times 10. Our second step will be 2 times 9. 2 times 9. All right. What is 10 times 2? Lady Hayden?
20.
20. Plus, what is 9 times 2? Noah?
9 times 2 is
18. 18, thank you. So we have 20 plus 18. And I think we can do mental math. They already wrote the answer. But if I have 20 and I add on 18 more, I get 38. Lady Cadence?
Or you can take the 8 away and add the 10 and then add the 8.
Yeah, that's how my mental math worked. I said 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 8 more is 38. Nice job. All right, we have one more where they give us the answer, but after that, we have to come up with our own answers.
Uh-oh.
All right, so here's our next problem, 23 times 9. Which number are we going to break apart? Lady Angie?
23.
Okay, so we have 9 times, what 2 digits do you think we ought to use? Sir Noah?
Let's use 12 and 13.
12 and
Or
13.
20 and 3.
That might be a little easier. 20 and 3. Okay? So our first step is 9 times 20. So we just copy the 9, right? And we put the 20. Second step is going to be 9 times 3. So if I were you, if this helps you, you can continue to write it out like we've been with the arrows. And then when you think to yourself 9 times 20, just write it down. All right. Now what is 9 times 20? We know we've got to cover that 0 up. Zoe? Start with 9 times 2. What would that be first? 18. And then how many zeros do we need to add? 1. Good. So this will be 180. So we copy that here. You don't have to write the numbers below, but for me that helps me stay organized. All right, what about 9 times 3? Lady Chloe?
18. Wait, no, not 18, 27.
Nice job, 27. All right, so we know we have to add those up. 180 plus 27. So this is what I'm kind of thinking for mental math. You can always stack them if you need to. But if I add 20 to 180, I know I'm at 200. And then I have 7 more. So 207. All right, now they are finally letting us try it all by ourselves. No extra help. All right, which of these numbers must we break up? I hope this is becoming more obvious. Sir Quentin?
46.
46. So we've got 9 times, what 2 numbers shall we use? Sir Noah?
40 and 6.
40 and 6. Okay. So my first step, 9 times 40. I can write that on the line. And then I will be doing 9 times 6.
I heard it was fancy day in here.
It is fancy day. Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I'll show you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right. What's our next step? Next step. Lady Hayden?
You cover the floor and then you 9 times 4?
Correct. What is 9 times 4, Lady Cadence?
36.
36. And then I have to add my 0 back on. So I'm going to put that up here. What is 9 times 6? Lady Angie? 54. Just copy it up here. All right, this time we have to do the adding, okay? I recommend you stack them and add them unless it's a very easy mental math problem. So you can just copy one number right under the other. I am getting a few thumbs ups. Question.
I can't see what the one before 54 is.
360. Lady Hayden.
I got it.
All right, nice job. All sorts of thumbs ups. Let's do one more together, okay? 15 times 2. Which of those numbers do we need to split apart? Sir Noah?
5.
All right, he said the 15, we need to split it up into a 10 and a 5. So 10 plus 5. All right, now you tell me, where do I come up with how to get this part of my step that's next? How do I do that part? It's my favorite part when I get to do the arrow swoopies, right? So what do I do first with my 2? You're about to try this on your own, so make sure you're paying attention. What am I going to do first with this 2? Sir Josiah?
Multiply it by 10.
Okay, so 2 times 10, and I just write that up here. And then, what do I do second? Lady Angie?
You do another 2 times 5.
2 times 5, I can write that right up here. All right, so now I'm just solving these math facts. 2 times 10 would be what? Sir Quentin?
2 times 10 is 20.
20. So copy it over. 2 times 5. Nobody knows 2 times 5.
10.
10. Good. So 20 plus 10, that is something we can all do in our head. Lady Madeline?
300.
Well, just plus and 20 plus 10. I think I said times. I didn't mean to. 20 plus 10. Not 300. You got too many zeros. 20 plus 10. Want to bounce on?
Wow.
Oh, wait, it's 30.
Good. 30. All right. So you have about half of this page left. I would like you to try it on your own. If you have questions, look back up at all of our examples, okay? The numbers change. The process stays the same. Any general questions you think the whole class might need to hear before we're done? Lady Madeline.
I can't see.
Okay. I will help you with that later. You can come up here.
How are we supposed to do this by ourselves?
You can do it. You're going to try it first, and you might struggle a little bit.
did it.
Shh. That is how math works sometimes. Sometimes it's a little struggle. That's how you learn new things. So we will do this again next math class. So this is not the last day to learn this skill. Sir Noah?
Can you try to trade when we're done?
Yes, you will. All right. Any other questions about this skill? All right. Friends at home, I hope this helps. We will continue working on distributive property
Bye-bye.
next time. Okay? See you later.